Hello everyone. Today, Monday, July 26th, we are reviewing our weekly stocks. First one to start with Geo. And if we look at Geo, the day chart looks completely, um, it's in a downtrend. However, looks like it has really tested its bottom and there's a huge volume that has come in. And hopefully it stays above 7.4 in coming days. If we really look at the monthly chart, so this stock has got a good support around the 7.25 level. So this is the support plus the resistance, we can say. So if it really crosses like 7.25 or 7.5, and stays above that, so we can see upward movement for this with a target of maybe around 11 initially, and then maybe it can go up higher. Okay, so just look for the stock to stay above 7.5. Okay, let's go to the next one. It is DDD, 3D Systems. Again, 3D Systems, if we look at the monthly chart, we have a great support around 7.5, and then the stock has moved between this range of 7.5 to 20. And then after that, with a huge volume, it has crossed 20. And that's where we have got a good support around 20. So anytime the stock falls below 20, around 20, so it will be a good pick. Right now, it is oscillating between that range, and it should stay above 24 for it to stay bullish and continue its bullish pattern. Okay, so that is 3D. So just look for 24 as the support level, the intermediate support level. Okay, as far as the NVIDIA is concerned, it has met all our expectations. Now we are going to see the new range for it. Okay, we look at this one. So we have a new support for the NVIDIA. It's around 180. So as long as it stays above 180, it will continue its bullish momentum, or else we're going to see around 153 is the next major support for this. Okay, let's move on to the next one, CRWD. So CRWD, as you can see here, very good support around 100. Then the stock kept on having this particular support line here. So it has bounced very well at the support. And then there is a new support which is formed around 250 level. So as long as the stock remains about 250, so it will continue its positive momentum. Or else if it comes down, so it will be around 225 or so, it has to test this particular support. So it should not break this. Just wait. Just look at this particular support line. Okay. If it breaks this one around 250, if it breaks 250, so then it will be 225. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the Daku. Daku, it has consolidated very well between like big range of 190 to 290, and it is now trying to make this new consolidation phase. Hopefully, it will stay about 290. So as long as it stays about 290, so the next target will be 390. Okay. Facebook, in the last few weeks, so we had seen Facebook consolidation very well here. So, and then once it crossed about 290, our next target was 380. So it is almost touching the 380 level. So it is going to see a major resistance around this. And then maybe it's going to, hover around this range of 350 to 380 for some time. So only thing is if it really crosses 380, so then we can see the other higher range of 450. Okay, so that is Facebook. Let's go to the DPZ, the Domino's Pizza. It has really crossed a very important resistance line with a very good volume, and that 480 was a very critical one. So it has crossed that beautifully. So if you really look at it, it's a long one. So as long as it stays above that particular resistance here, I mean the support line here now, so which was a resistance, as long as it stays above this, so it will continue its journey towards upwards. And if it breaks this particular support, so then we can see 434 again. Okay, that's going to be major support for it. And then it should not come into this channel. Right now it's kind of forming a channel here. Okay, then comes our Tesla. So Tesla, it had this resistance, it broke, and then it formed another resistance here. So it's kind of acted as a very good support. And now we are going to see this one ranging within this place. Okay, let me just move this a bit. It is still in this range of 600 to 830. That's a huge range. However, the 700 is going to be first resistance for that. And today, maybe after market stock moved really high because of the earnings. So let's see if it crosses 700 in this week. Okay. Then comes CMG. CMG also crossed a major long-term resistance here. And once it crossed, it is really going high. So if we really see this, any pullback, so this is going to act as a support, like worst case scenarios of this one pulling back, well, the levels will be around 1300. Okay, so huge move though, like 1800 to 1300, but that's the thing in case if the market correction happens, so that's where we can see it coming down, or else it will reach, higher and higher. So just follow the, trailing stop loss if you would like to, preserve your, take some profits. Okay, so Google, let's say this is the last symbol today, Google. As you can see, there's a weekly chart. It is within this big range here on a big channel. So this is the outer channel. So it is behaving within this channel. And right now it is hitting the top of the channel. And in between there is another support and resistance line we had. So it kind of crossed, it acted as a support, I mean the resistance, and then once it crossed, then it started going higher. So only thing for this to really go high, it has to break this next resistance line, and then it has to break out, or else it has to come back to 2600 level once again. So right now it is just in a positive momentum, moving higher and higher. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today. Happy trading. So we will see next week. Thank you.